Choosing the right radiator can feel a bit tricky, but it really doesn't have to be.
So which one is right for your home? Let's dive in and compare 2-column and 3-column models.
First up, what is a column radiator? Basically, hot water flows through these tubes to heat your room. The main difference is simple, just the number of columns. This affects its depth, space, and heat.
So what does that extra column actually mean when it comes to heating your home?
This table gives a great at-a-glance look at the two. Let's break it down a bit more.
The heat difference is key. You're getting about 15 to 30% more heat from a 3-column radiator.
This makes the 2-column great for smaller spaces, while the 3-column is perfect for much bigger rooms.
Okay, but it's not just about heat, is it? It's also about the space they take up.
Exactly. The slimmer 2-column is a real space saver. The 3-column, well, it sticks out a bit more.
Right, what about running costs? Is one actually more energy efficient than the other?
Well, you might be surprised. In a large room, the 3-column can be cheaper to run.
And what about the look? The 2-column is sleek and modern. The 3-column has that lovely classic feel.
Okay, before you buy, run through this checklist. And please, calculate your BTU requirement. It's so important.
And try to avoid these common mistakes. Getting the BTU calculation wrong is a big one, for sure.
So what's the bottom line? It really all comes down to matching the radiator to your specific room.
So here's the final recommendation. Go for a 2-column for smaller spaces and pick a 3-column for larger rooms.
So now you know the difference. We hope this helps you choose with confidence. Thanks for watching.
The Radiator Hub. Your home, your heat, your hub.